Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a disclaimer to your Wix site. So let's get right into it. Now, let me just preface this by saying that I won't be actually telling you guys how you can write a disclaimer. That is completely separate. I'm just going to be explaining to you guys how you can add one if you already have it in text form. So let's get right into it. Now, to add a disclaimer to your site, it's actually very simple. As you can see, I'm in the editor right now, and what I'm going to start with is going into pages and menu, and I'm going to add a completely new page. Just click add menu item, select new page, and as you can see, you have these here, templates pretty much. You can select a template if you want, or if not, you can just add a blank page, and it's going to add a new page, as you can see over here, and then it's going to open up the site menu again, and you'll have to rename it. I'll rename it into disclaimer. And then you just click done over here, and now you have your disclaimer page. Now, to actually add the disclaimer, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to add an element. So go into add elements and choose the text element. You can add the heading 1 element like so and place it here, and then just, I don't know, write disclaimer in big letters. You can choose the style, the font, and the size if you wanted to, and then you can go ahead and add a new textual element, which is just paragraphs, and then add whichever paragraph you want, or collapsible text. I would recommend you add paragraphs since a disclaimer should be the entire page. I'll add it somewhere like here, for example, and then I'm gonna pretty much just make it as large as it can be, fill up the entire page like so, and then just drag it over here. And what you're going to want to do is just add the disclaimer text right into this here element, disclaimer text like so. And that is how you add a disclaimer. Now, if you want to write a disclaimer, I would recommend you contact a lawyer for that, who is actually versed in these legal matters, or you could just go into an online disclaimer generator if you so choose. However, I would not recommend this, or if you do, I would recommend a lawyer or a paralegal go through that and actually double check the disclaimer. But that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.